Good morning, good day, good afternoon. My name is Alexander Moroz, and today I would like to share with you some ideas that was developed by me. And the idea is called Moroz Auto Updater. And this idea, this logics, I will be using in all my softwares and programs developed for Windows operating systems. I mean Windows operating systems, yeah, Windows XP, 7, Windows Vista, and using the Visual Basic 6, C Sharp, C++, and other languages that design for the Windows development. So as over here, you can see the Microsoft Visual Basic 6. That's the environment I was testing this. And at 11 p.m. yesterday, I saw it myself. Look, I can develop an auto updater for Cool Button Designer in version 7.1, so my customers, my users don't have to go and check my website for every single day for updates, or I don't have to write them email like when I'm gonna come out with updates that new updates is available. Instead, we're gonna do it so convenient, and I'm gonna write a little application that I'm gonna integrate in Cool Button Designer, and it will do automatically check if I do have any updates, and then automatically download them if user will say yes, and automatically install those updates on his computer if user will say yes. And it's very convenient for both parties, for my users and for me as a developer. And then I also thought, look, I can use this for any of my softwares developed on Windows XP, Vista, and 7, like Cool Button Designer, Moroz Video Capture, and any other languages like C Sharp and some other languages. And why not? And let me show you what I meant. So as you can see, this is the Visual Basic 6, and this is the beta test auto updater that I wrote at 11 p.m. till 1 a.m. yesterday and tested it as well. And it will be integrated in Cool Button Designer, and it's already done and it's ready to go. I'm gonna demonstrate you in a second. This is the basic code, and this is how the downloader look like. So it's a preloader, gonna preload, designed by me, and using the Cool Button, as you can see. And here is the updater form, and here's how it's gonna look like. It's gonna get the current version and the new version, and let me show you what program does. And keep in mind, this little application will be integrated into my bigger programs. Like first, it's going to be, the first application will be Cool Button Designer, which will be released today in the evening. Cool Button Designer version 7.1. I believe it's one of the best button makers, web button makers and graphic user interface button makers out there. So go ahead and encourage you to try it, Cool Button Designer. Please go and look at the video description of this video. I'm gonna put the link where you can go ahead and download your trial version for free. And let me go ahead and run it. So this is how application look like. As you can see, it's detected. It tells me that dear detected the new download, the newer version. And let's say the current version is 1.0. Let's assume, and the new version is 7.3. I just developed it, and it's already there for download. So the auto updater already getting it without you to visit the website, and it's asking you if you would like to download it. And if you will click yes, it will bring you to a window where you can go ahead and just basically name this application, and clicking OK, and it's gonna start download, and it's gonna show you the progress bar, and you gotta wait till 100% reached. And when it's gonna download the newer version of the Cool Button Designer, it will tell you downloaded successfully, and would you like to install the newer version? And if you will click yes, it will automatically run the setup for you. Professional setup developed by Alexander Moroz as well. So everything which you see, it's the logics and the way I see the development in my head. And it's go ahead and install the Cool Button Designer version 7.0. Just click next, 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 and go ahead and install it. So the newer version. So here we go. Here's the simple logics of the auto updater as I see it, and I saw it yesterday at 11 p.m. and it's just few lines of the code, and I'm like, why shouldn't implement this into Cool Button Designer? And I wait a few seconds and I'm like, why shouldn't implement into all my software? I wrote it in Visual Basic, but in C# and some other languages for Windows operating systems. So here we go. As you can see, this is a little share with you guys, and as you can see, my software getting more advanced and every day, and I'm working on it. It's getting the better artificial intelligence every day, and I encourage you to try the Cool Button Designer version 7.1. It's amazing software which will comes let me go ahead and real quick maybe demonstrate you, maybe not right now, but I'm gonna demonstrate you the Cool Button Designer version 7.1. I'm gonna create the individual video on my YouTube channel, so go ahead and check it out. I would like to keep this video as short as possible. So thank you so much for watching. Please let me know what you think. Subscribe if you like my videos, because very soon I will share with you on the programming tips and how to program and stuff like this over this channel and over my other channel which called Moroz Academy. It's going to be dedicated straight to IT, programming, web design, web developing, photography. Please subscribe on that channel as well. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice Happy New Year. Bye bye now.